Hi, I've just bought myself a 210 litre water butt set. Comes with a stand and includes a tap and a filter kit, which is this thing here. Somehow I've got to connect that to that pipe there. I've got to cut that pipe in a small hole like that so I can fit that onto it, which then probably goes through there or that side there. Let's see how this goes. These three stands. I've got to stand that water butt on top of there. Zoom something like that. Just notice it says I've got these little connectors here, so that's got to go on top of that like that, and that one is on top of that like so, and then that one goes on top of that one like so, to make it more secure. How well you can see that, but I've had to mark roughly 2.5 centimetres from the bottom there, well from the bottom there to the top there, and I've got to cut that section out. Slight change of plan. It said I needed to cut 2.5 centimetres, but I've just discovered that this is a separate bit. As you can see, it's just like resting. So what I don't think I really need to cut that extra bit, because I'll just put that bit in there and then fix this bit into there like that. So I don't think there's much point cutting that extra 2.5 centimetres. I can do it just like that. Can't see how that's going to make much difference. I think they said to cut that 2.5 centimetres if like, so you could like do it like that, but now I've got that great big gap there. See that's the top bit there. Now basically I'll cut it all the way through, so I don't need to, like I said, it's just a small gap so I could slip it in, but now I've got that great big gap, so I don't need to do that. So hopefully this won't keep them falling down. But what I will need to do, you laugh at this, as you can see that hole is round and that fits on top of here, but if you look at my pipe, as you can see it's square, and you can't fit a square into a round hole, as the saying goes. So what they've done, so I've got to turn this circle into square, so then I've got to cut those. See that little line, so I'll turn that hole into a square basically, so cut those little corner bits off. There you go, turn it a circle into a square. So I've got this bit here, so I've clamped on, so I think this bit clips into there, and this goes into here, so that's what it kind of looks like. So that clips into there, that bit into there, so it's all, that's the bit where it goes into the down pipe, this bit here. Or now to attach the water butt. It's raining at the moment, but it does say if it's diverted, is fitted too low, the water butt will not fill. So I understand. If it's diverted, is fitted too high, the water will overflow. Not quite too sure. Now drill a hole there. Don't understand they should have put a hole there in the first place. I don't understand why it would have been easier if they'd done it for you, But I've got to do it, so it makes it more difficult. Oh well, let's go. I've got to make that hole bigger. I've got to make it that big. So somehow I've got to maybe use this again to make it bigger. Just to show you, I had to make lots of little holes to make that one big hole. So I kind of cut all, cut all the little holes so I could push in and make a really big hole, if that makes sense. And then I've got to push this in, like so. And then this goes on the inside. How well you can see this, but I've got this washer and this locking nut. This goes on the inside there, and then this goes on the inside of that. So basically, I'll just show you. So that goes like that, and then that will screw onto there, like so. But let's go there, and then that goes there. like that. I don't know how you can see that. So it looks something a bit like that on the inside. All there's left to do is connect this pipe onto here, put the lid on, and hopefully that should be that. And that is proof that it is working. You can hear it filling up with water. It's actually raining right now. How exciting. Just check the tap's working okay. That water, won't waste it, but it's working. That's how it's done. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.